Hey, today we're going to go into this Roswell floor plan. It is a 4-bedroom home, and you can get this home for under $350,000 right here in the greater Charlotte area. Come with me, let's go inside and take a look because it has a bedroom downstairs, a loft upstairs, and stick around because in this video I'm going to share how I got a client of mine into new construction with significant down payment assistance and no money out of pocket. Come with me, let's go inside and take a look at this Roswell floor plan, and you'll hear about how I'm helping my clients get down payment assistance and have no money come out of their pocket so they can own a home that has an affordable monthly payment. Let's go inside and take a look. Now here we are in front of this Roswell floor plan. Now we're at Calico Creek in Cherryville, North Carolina. Cherryville is in the greater Charlotte area. It's about 40 miles outside of the city center. And this is the Roswell floor plan, a 4-bedroom with a bedroom downstairs and a loft upstairs. And I wanted to talk to you, one, let's look at these finishes, look at the home, what you can get for well under $350,000. Right now in this community, this 4-bedroom is going for about $320,000, $325,000. Now that is subject to change. But they offer this floor plan and many other 3 and 4 bedrooms throughout the greater Charlotte area. And I wanted to share with you about a client of mine who was able to receive down payment assistance on new construction for a home, a Meritage home that was under $300,000. So under $300,000. Now, down payment assistance does vary depending on where the home is located. Not all homes and locations are created equal when it comes to down payment assistance. Real quick, this is the full bathroom downstairs. We just left the bedroom. That's the linen closet. So keep that in mind. But if you have some flexibility regarding where you're at in the greater Charlotte area, I've had clients qualify for up to $50,000 in down payment assistance. That's not going to be need to pay back in the greater Charlotte area, and they were able to get new construction. Now I like Meritage because of this right there, the spray foam and the air filtration that they offer for all their homes. This is bedroom number 2. We just left the loft area. So if you're in a position to where you have good credit, you have stable income, you have a job, reach out to me. Even if you do not have the down payment, reach out to me. There are programs and other lenders I can put you with to be able to find you options because it is rough out here. It is very rough out here to try to find affordability, and because of the interest rate and then just the high pricing. But there are solutions, there are options. You just need to work with the right people. My number is on the screen. Feel free, call me. Leave a voicemail if somebody doesn't answer. You can go to the website, leave some feedback on the website, a contact form, because I would love to be able to assist you. Right now I have 3 other people going through a similar down payment assistance program so we can get them into a brand new construction with no money out of pocket. That is a blessing right now. And right now as homes sit in the market, this is your time to take advantage because the last 5 years, you weren't able to compete. Well, right now, homes are sitting. This is your opportunity. We're in the owner suite right now. See the dual vanity, you see the tile shower. You have a walk-in closet. This is a beautiful home. And again, this was in Cherryville, North Carolina, but they offer this 4-bedroom floor plan throughout the greater Charlotte region. And I would love to be able to find a home that's perfect for you and your lifestyle and your family. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. Sorry for talking over through this entire video, but I am very excited to be able to help others get a home and be able to relax and not have to worry about rent increases or live in uninhabitable situations. Talk soon.